What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amazon's DIY and other stuff. I'm Amber, and in this video, I'm part of a collab. So Kiki from Kiki's CrackerJack box reached out to me a while ago and asked me if I would like to do an 80s collab with her. So she saw me do that 80s makeup collab that I was part of, and I just, guys, I totally bombed that one. I mean, I just really didn't have the time to do it, and I was trying to put something together that I thought would be okay, and then I couldn't find the wig that I wanted to use, so I used my natural hair, and it just looked terrible. Okay, the look did not turn out at all as I planned. So she thought, hey, do you want another shot at it? And I was like, sure, that sounds like fun. So we were trying to get this one out earlier. I think it was like towards the end of September was the original date, but unfortunately, I got sick. So I was sick for a while, and I'm still trying to get myself back on track from that. So at any rate, we're not going to get into all that because this is about the 80s collab. So Kiki reached out to me, asked me if I want to do the collab, and I said, absolutely. I'm super excited about it. So now I get another shot at this look. Let's see if I can pull it off, right? So if you guys are not familiar with Kiki, her channel is called Kiki's CrackerJack box, and she does all kinds of fun stuff on there, guys. I was flipping through her channel today, and I was like, you know, she's got a lot of really fun, cool stuff, and she's a super sweet lady. She's absolutely beautiful inside and out. So please make sure that you check out her channel right after you're done watching this video, because you are going to have to be subscribed to her channel if you want to enter my giveaway. All right, guys, so without further ado, let's jump into this 80s look. Okay, guys, so here I am. I took off my eye makeup and I took off my lipstick. So we're going to start with some eye primer, and I normally don't use this one, but I saw it and I thought, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and bust this one out. So we're going to go ahead and just slap that on my eyes here. Now, this one is definitely not my favorite eye primer. I love the Ace Beauty one that I got in, I think it was my BoxyCharm. I love that one. I use it all of the time. It's hands down my favorite, and I definitely feel that I'm gonna go ahead and buy it again, but this one worked fine too. So after I blended all of that into my eyes, I'm gonna make a weird face, boom, and then I'm gonna put some eyeliner on. But guys, honestly, I don't know why I used this black one, because I knew I wasn't gonna do black, so I think I did it out of habit. It was part of this process, so I went ahead and included it in the video, but it should be a different color, and you'll see why later. So now I'm gonna move on to this Ace Beauty Glow palette, and I'm going to go ahead and set that eye primer. I'm gonna use this one that's like a white pinkish color, and normally I do this right after I put the primer on, so I don't know, I'm all over the place, guys. I'm just a hot mess. I don't know why I did the eyeliner before that, but you know, whatever. You guys are seeing, it's gonna be fine. Everything's gonna be fine, right? I hope so. Okay, so now that that's done, I am going to move on to the eyeshadow. So I'm going to use two palettes by Juvia's Place. One is the Nomad, and in the Nomad palette, I'm going to use this yellow color, and that's the only one that I'm going to use out of this palette. Let me go ahead and put that in my inner corners. So I'm going to brush it over just a little bit too, but man, guys, this thing is pigmented. This is a great palette. It really, truly is. Now that I have that done, I'm going to go ahead and move on to the next palette, which is I Live, I Love. I'm going to use this turquoise blue and like this, I don't know, what do you call this? A baby blue, a sky blue? I don't know, whatever. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and take that turquoise blue and put it in the center of my eye, and you can see my reaction. I'm like, whoa! That stuff is pigmented. And I'm telling you what, guys, I don't know about what you guys did in the 80s, but if this color is in 80s, I don't know what is. I'm just saying. So far it's looking pretty good. If you're going for an 80s look, I'm just saying it's looking great. All right, so after I added that color, I'm going to go ahead and move on to the blue color. I'm going to use that on the outer edge of my eye here, and it too is very pigmented, but it's blending quite nicely. And to be honest with you guys, if I toned this look down, I would truly wear this in real life, but not this bold, not this bright, not this heavy, but blended down, I think it could look really cute. I'm just saying. How many times am I going to say I'm just saying? I just realized that. At any rate, now that I have that done, we're going to go ahead and try this liquid, it's like a yellow liquid eyeshadow. I thought it might work underneath my eyes. So I go ahead and start to put it on, and then I thought that it would work, but the colors just don't match that yellow. That it's like a deeper yellow I have on the inner corner. So it just doesn't look right. So I went ahead and took that off, and then I'm just going to go ahead and go in with that same yellow that I used on my inner corner, because I don't think it's going to look right if I don't. So as I'm doing this, for some reason, it's just not showing up very dark. In the end, when I do my final look, it shows up a little bit darker because I used a yellow pencil that I found in my, I don't know, it was in my stash. I think I got it from Diva Bag by Sonia. Yeah, I think that's where I got it. So I added that first, then added the yellow, and that worked quite well. So this process right here was kind of a fail. I mean, you can see it, but you can't see it as good and as dark as I was hoping that you would. I guess that's what I'm trying to say. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and move on to this blue eyeliner, and this is the perfect color. I mean, it matches that turquoise color that I have on the center of my eyes like perfectly. It looks really good. So I just went ahead and added some of that. And when I added that, it kind of took away from the yellow. So that's why I end up darkening the yellow off camera, because it kind of took away from it. But overall, it's cute. I mean, it is a cute eye pencil. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and go with this Mary Kay Bright Pink Lipstick. Oh my gosh, how ridiculous do I look, guys? Like, how much more ridiculous can I make myself look? Well, I'm going to go ahead and add a gloss on top of it too. Why not go, full out? I'm just saying. So at any rate, I'm going to go ahead and grab this gloss that I got in one of my Diva Bag by Sonia's, and I'm just going to go ahead and add that to the top to make it look as ridiculous as I possibly can. So I'm not done yet, guys, and I just got this Wonder Beauty blush in my BoxyCharm, and I thought, you know what? In the 80s, they went super heavy on the blush. I mean, super heavy. So I thought, yeah, let's go super heavy and super thick and this bright pink color. Yeah, guys, it's looking terrible. So at any rate, off camera, I go ahead and fix it a little bit. Well, at least I tried to fix it. And I'm going to go ahead and add, a nice wig that will be a little bit more fuller for the 80s. After I do all that, it's finished, and here I am. Woo! Guys, I mean, okay, listen. So the eyelashes, I know they look terrible. Listen, I made a mistake with those. I'm going to explain it later. But overall, I don't think it's a bad 80s look minus the eyelashes. I think I kind of hit it spot on. Let's go ahead and jump into the giveaway. Okay, guys. So I was going for crazy. I definitely got crazy. So listen, I got this really cool pink mascara from my Diva Bag by Sonia, okay? And I wanted to use it as like a pink accent because I thought it would pick up off the lipstick and just make it look more crazy, right? When I put it on, look, it clumped so bad. Like, it just really clumped up really bad. So I thought, you know what? I didn't put that primer on first. Maybe I should do the primer. But I gotta say, the pink did show through my dark black eyelashes, even with that primer. Very impressive, right? So instead of taking it off, I just put the primer over top of the mascara. Big mistake, guys. Because look at this. This is what happens when you do something like that. Look at how bad it clumped up. I don't think that it was the mascara that I got. I think it was the fact that I put the mascara on, then put the primer on, then put the mascara on again. Because, like, man, I forgot to do the primer when I put it on. So then I thought, oh, I'm just going to put it over top. Well, most people would start over. I was not going to start over, guys. Overall, I do think that the blue with the yellow is super cool. And honestly, toned down, I definitely would wear those two shades together out in public. Not like this. Not like this, you guys. And then I tried to go super thick and dark with my blush because that's what they did in the 80s. And super bright lipstick. I tried my best, you guys. I got the big hair going today, though. Yeah, they had big hair in the 80s. And my hair was like one of the biggest hairs. I don't think you can say it that way, but you guys know what I'm saying. All right, guys. So with this collab, we will have a giveaway, and I do not have the giveaway dates. Awesome. So listen, this is what we're going to do. First thing that we're going to do is go over some of the major rules. First and foremost, you have to live in the United States or have a United States postal address. This will not be open internationally. You must be 18 years or older to participate, and you must be subscribed to my channel as well as Kiki's channel. If you are not subscribed to both of our channels, you will not be able to win the giveaway, okay? So I think that covers all of the major rules, but honestly, guys, I haven't done this in so long, I really can't remember. So please make sure you check out my full set of rules in the description box below before you enter my giveaway. That should cover everything. Oh, wait a minute. I forgot the most important thing. YouTube's not involved, guys. YouTube is in no way involved with or has anything to do with this giveaway. I am 100% the sole person giving the stuff away. That makes sense? Sure. I totally messed it up, but we're going to move on, guys, because I am just not with it today. And I think if I retake this, it's just going to look just as terrible, if not worse. So whatever. All right. I'm going to let you guys know two of the things that you're going to be getting in the giveaway. You're going to be getting the Juvia's palettes that I used in my look. So you're going to get this Juvia's palette and you're going to get this Juvia's palette as well. So you're going to be getting definitely both of these palettes in the giveaway. There'll be more things in the giveaway, but the rest of it's going to be a surprise. I just wanted to let you guys know those two things that you're definitely going to be getting in the giveaway are the two palettes that I used in this look. I got to say, guys, the pigment on this palettes it's great. It really is. I mean, look at that. So like if I did a real look, a daily look, not a look that I was going to try to make look crazy like I did this one, honestly, these are fantastic palettes to use. I can't say enough good things about this brand. I definitely think they got the formula figured out. So you're going to get both of these palettes, guys, both of the palettes, okay? That is definitely going to be part of the giveaway as well as many other things. I really don't know what yet. The rest of it is a surprise. So if you do want to be entered in for this giveaway, please make sure that you use the word, I almost said 80s, but I'm changing my mind. Make sure that you use the word blue. Let's go with that. Use the word blue in your comment below. That will let me know that you want to be entered in for this giveaway. Again, guys, this was a collab with the awesome, beautiful, lovely Kiki from Kiki's CrackerJack box. Please make sure that you jump over and check her out right after you're done watching this video if you haven't already done so, because she is absolutely fabulous. Even if you don't want to enter the giveaway, just make sure that you jump over and check out her channel. She's a really sweet, sweet lady. I think that you guys will absolutely love her, and I will have a link to her channel in my description box below. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! What's up, gorgeous people? I'm Amber, and this is Amazar's DIY and other stuff. And in today's video, I don't think I like that. You can tell I haven't recorded in a while. Let's try it again. This is Amazar's DIY and other stuff. I'm Amber, and in this video, I am part of a collab. Yay! What? Doesn't this mean yay? Yay! Wow! Can I do this? I'm questioning it. Should I try a different video first? Maybe. Okay.